Can AI art really make you $100 a day? I've been testing this for months, and what I discovered will shock you. Most people are doing this completely wrong. They're missing the biggest secrets about where to sell and how to price their AI creations. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to reveal the 5 best platforms to sell AI art in 2025, expose the truth about print on demand versus direct sales, and break down exactly what it takes to hit that magical $100 per day mark. But first, let me tell you why 90% of AI artists are leaving money on the table. Here's the thing nobody talks about. Location matters more than your art quality. You could create the most beautiful AI masterpiece, but if you're selling it in the wrong place, you'll make pennies. However, mediocre art in the right marketplace can generate serious cash. Here's another secret nobody talks about. Pricing is psychology. Most beginners think cheaper equals more sales, but that's wrong. A $9.99 digital print can sell way more than a $5 one simply because it feels more premium. Bundling is powerful too. Instead of selling one piece for $10, sell a pack of 5 for $25. Suddenly, your average order value jumps. And don't forget urgency. Limited time discounts or only 10 left strategies push buyers to act now instead of later. Platform 1. Etsy, the creative goldmine. Etsy buyers expect unique, personalized art. Your AI creations fit perfectly here. The downside, competition is fierce, and you need to master SEO. Platform 2. Redbubble, the print-on-demand giant. Upload once, sell forever. They handle printing and shipping. The catch: your profit margins are thin, usually $1 to $3 per sale. Platform 3. Creative Fabrica, the designer's secret weapon. Sell your AI art as digital assets to other creators. High profit margins, but you need volume. Platform for Gumroad, perfect for selling high-resolution downloads, templates, and commercial licenses. You keep 90% of the profits, but traffic is your responsibility. Platform 5. Stock photo sites, passive income heaven. Submit your AI art once, earn royalties forever. The approval process is strict, but accepted images can earn for years. Here's where most AI artists completely miss out. Branding. If your store looks random and inconsistent, people don't trust you. But if your shop tells a story, you stand out instantly. Imagine branding yourself as the cozy travel poster shop or futuristic cyberpunk prints. Buyers don't just purchase art. They buy into an identity, a lifestyle, a vibe, consistent colors, fonts, and a shop description that connects emotionally with your audience can be the difference between crickets and consistent sales. Each platform has a sweet spot. But here's where most people mess up. They pick just one. The real money is in diversification. Let me break this down with a simple analogy. Direct sales platforms like Etsy and Gumroad are like running a boutique shop. You control everything: pricing, customer experience, profit margins. But you also handle customer service, marketing, and all the headaches. Print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble and Merch by Amazon are like owning vending machines. You stock them once, and they work while you sleep. But you sacrifice control for convenience. Here's the money breakdown. Direct sales: $5 to $50 profit per sale, but you need traffic. Print-on-demand: $1 to $5 profit per sale, but they bring the customers. Time investment is crucial too. Direct sales require constant marketing, SEO optimization, and customer communication. Print-on-demand: upload and forget. But here's the kicker: scalability. With print-on-demand, you can have thousands of products working for you simultaneously. With direct sales, you're limited by time and marketing budget. The smartest approach: do both. Use print-on-demand for passive income and direct sales for higher value pieces. It's not either or, it's both. Now here's the big money play: repeat customers. Print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble don't give you customer emails, but on Etsy or Gumroad, you control the relationship. That means you can build an email list, send buyers updates, new releases, or even special discounts just for them. It's way easier to sell to someone who's already bought from you once than to find a brand new buyer. If you want long-term stability, you need to own your audience. Let's get real about these numbers. Can you actually make $100 a day with AI art? Yes, but it's not as simple as the gurus make it sound. Etsy, you need 10 sales at $10 profit each. Sounds easy, right? But with millions of listings, you're fighting for visibility. Average success rate for new sellers, about 5% reach consistent $100 plus days within 6 months. Redbubble at $2 average profit, you need 50 sales daily. That means hundreds of designs uploaded and incredible SEO optimization. The top 1% of sellers hit these numbers, but it takes 12 to 18 months of consistent uploading. Gumroad, just 3 to 4 sales of $25 to $35 digital products. Much more achievable, but you need marketing skills and a following. Here's what they don't tell you. Traffic is everything. To make $100 daily on Etsy, you need roughly 2,000 to 3,000 daily views across all your listings. That's a serious SEO game. But SEO isn't your only weapon. Social media can drive insane traffic for free if you use it right. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest love short, visual content. Post a 15-second video showing your AI art being created, then link directly to your Etsy or Gumroad. Pinterest, especially, is a goldmine for evergreen traffic. One viral post can keep sending buyers to your shop for months, even years. Treat social media as your free advertising machine. Timing matters too. Holiday seasons can 10x your sales, while summer months might be dead zones. Plan accordingly. Realistic timeline to $100 day. Month 1 to 3, learning and setup, maybe $5 to $20 day. Month 4 to 6, finding what works, $20 to $50 day. Month 7 to 12. Scaling successful designs, $50 to $100 day the key. Most people quit at month 2 when they're not seeing instant results. Enough theory. Here's your step-by-step roadmap to actually making money with AI art. Step 1. Pick your niche. Don't be everything to everyone. Dog lovers, minimalist quotes, vintage travel posters. Pick one and dominate it. Riches are in niches. Step 2. Master your AI tool. Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion. Pick one and become an expert. Learn advanced prompting techniques. Your prompts are your competitive advantage. Step 3. Use mock-up generators. Your art needs context. Show it on wall art, t-shirts, phone cases, mock-ups. Sell dreams, not just images. Step 4. Post consistently. Algorithms reward consistency. Set a schedule. 5 new designs per week, minimum. Batch create to save time. Step 5. Multi-platform strategy. Don't put all eggs in one basket. Upload the same design to 3 to 5 platforms. Maximize your reach and income potential. Step 6. Master SEO. On platforms like Etsy, SEO is everything. Use tools like eRank to find low-competition keywords. Your title and tags determine visibility. Step 7. Track what works. Keep detailed records. Which designs sell, what keywords work, which platforms perform best. Data drives decisions. Step 8. Join AI art communities. Facebook groups, Discord servers, Reddit communities. Network with other sellers. Share tips. Stay updated on platform changes. Let's wrap this up with the 3 game-changing insights. First, platform choice matters more than art quality. Etsy for direct sales, Redbubble for passive income, Creative Fabrica for digital assets. Second, the $100 daydream is achievable, but it requires time, consistency, and realistic expectations. Most successful sellers took 6 to 12 months to hit these numbers. Third, it's not about choosing between print on demand or direct sales. It's about combining both for maximum income potential. Here's the truth nobody wants to admit. The secret isn't the AI tool you use or even how good your art looks. The secret is in the execution, consistent uploading, smart platform selection, and patient persistence. The AI art gold rush is happening right now. While everyone's debating whether AI art is real art, smart creators are quietly building profitable businesses. If you found this breakdown valuable and want more AI side hustle experiments, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I'm constantly testing new strategies and sharing the real results, both successes and failures. Drop a comment below and tell me, which platform are you going to try first? And if you're already selling AI art, what's been your biggest challenge? Until next time, keep creating, keep testing, and remember, the future belongs to those who adapt fastest.